Always remember prevailing systems of measurement. MKS system. In this system, distance is measured in the meters, mass in kilograms, that is K, and time in seconds, S. CGS system. In this system, distance is measured in centimeters, C, mass, M, in grams, and time, T, in seconds, S. In the MK system of measurement, distance, mass, and time are accepted as the fundamental quantities. These three quantities are used to measure all the other quantities. So, as you can see the table here, you can complete the table based on your previous knowledge. Here, MKS and CGS systems are given. For distance in MKS system, can you think of? It is kilometer, and in CGS it is meter. Time is in seconds in both the units. Speed is kilometer per hour in MKS system and meter per second in CGS system. Fundamental quantities. It is enough to select a few out of the many quantities and standardize their units. You can see from the above examples that the units of the quantities length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called fundamental quantities and their units are called as standard units. Of course, a standard fundamental unit must be available to all and it must not be variable. International system of unit. An international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the System International, that is SI, is currently used all over the world. It is called the metric system. The names and symbols of the units of the fundamental quantities length, time and mass in this system are given in the table below. Meter is M, kilogram is kg, and seconds is S. So this is the international system of units. Find out what is an atomic clock and where is it kept. Atomic clock is a device that works with utmost accuracy. Its work is dependent on the vibrations of atoms and molecules. The functioning is due to molecular systems of cesium or ammonia. The atomic clock in Mumbai is in National Physical Laboratory in New Delhi. How is the velocity of light used for determining the standard meter? The light ray passes through a vacuum at a particular velocity of seconds. You find out that velocity. And this velocity, that means this distance, is called 1 meter. In other words, the light ray travels particular meters in 1 second. And to standardize a meter in this way, velocity of light is used. So you find out the velocity of light. Great scientists. When man felt the need to measure things, he started by using the parts of his own body for the purpose. In Egypt in ancient times, the distance from a man's elbow to the tip of his middle finger was called a cubit. This measure would differ from person to person. Therefore, the cubit of the king was considered as the standard. In olden times, we weighed gold in a unit called gunj. An hourglass, as shown below, was used for measuring time.